Hello everyone. Welcome to Rizat Graphics. In this channel, I am providing 100% free training in graphic design and motion graphics. Every tutorial is made for everyone, from beginners to advanced levels. These tutorials are the best for you to become a true graphic designer and motion graphic artist. After watching my tutorials, you'll learn to create 3D animation, text reveals, custom logo animations, kinetic typography, motion tracking, green screen keying, and much more. I will also provide free project files to modify and create your own animations and expand your skills. I assure you, after watching my tutorials, you'll be creating awesome motion graphics. So, subscribe Rizat Graphics channel. It's free.